boys and girls. Welcome to our gingerbread day of our Christmas week. We are going to listen in each video to a different gingerbread man story, and then you guys get to use that to go through your gingerbread man packet. We usually do a lot more with gingerbread man, but since we're not at school, it makes it kind of hard. So we still wanted to do it a little fun before we went for Christmas break, all right? So what we are going to do first is we are going to read a story, and it is called The Gingerbread Man. The Gingerbread Man. The Gingerbread Man. Mr. and Mrs. Baker lived all alone. Day after day they baked big gooey cakes, sweet crumbly pies, and piping hot pastries, but they had no one to share them with, and that made them very sad. Then one day Mrs. Baker made a little gingerbread man to cheer them both up. He had jolly jelly buttons and a big icing smile. Dusting the flour from her hand, she popped him into the oven. But to Mr. and Mrs. Baker's surprise, when the tray came out, the gingerbread man leaped up onto the table and began skipping through the sugar. "Tee-hee-hee, you can't catch me," he giggled. "Bless my cinnamon stars!" cried Mrs. Baker, as they chased him over the pots, under the pans, and all around the kitchen. But the gingerbread man was too quick for them, and he jumped right out the window. Scurrying along the path, the gingerbread man ran into a very hungry cow. "You look tasty," mooed the cow, "and what fine jelly buttons you have." But the gingerbread man just danced and pranced, singing, "Run, run, as fast as you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran, as fast as his gingerbread legs could carry him. With a great moo, the cow thundered after the gingerbread man, past the milk churns, through the barn, and around the haystack until, crash! The haystack tumbled over right on top of the cow. "Oh, milkshakes!" cried the very dizzy cow. The gingerbread man scampered up the hill. At the top was a very hungry goat. "Good day," bleated the goat. "I love munching thistles, but you look even better to eat." But the gingerbread man just whirled and twirled, singing. If you know what he's going to say, you can read it with me. "Run, run, as fast as you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And off he zoomed, leaving a trail of gingerbread crumbs behind him. What do you think the goat's gonna do? So the goat dashed after the gingerbread man, through the thistles, over the gate, and in and out of the apple orchard until, smash! The goat butted right into a tree, and the apples came toppling down with a thud, thud, thud. "Oh, applesauce!" cried the goat, rubbing his head. "Tee-hee-hee!" laughed the gingerbread man as he frolicked through the meadow. There, dozing in a tree, was a very hungry cat. "Hello," meowed the cat. "You look like the perfect snack." But the gingerbread man just wiggled and giggled, singing. What'd he sing? "Run, run, as fast as you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And off he whooshed, racing down the lane. Licking her lips, the cat chased the gingerbread man around the bush, through the daisies, and toward the pond, and the cat leaped up, 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 and came down, down, splash, right in the middle of the cold, wet pond. "Oh, Whiskers," grumbled the very soggy cat. Do you think anybody's going to catch him? I don't know. We'll have to see. As the gingerbread man ran down the hill, he began to sing and laugh. "Tee-hee-hee, I'm having fun. I've run away from everyone. A curly-haired woman, a man in a hat, a cow and a goat, and a silly old cat." But when the gingerbread man reached the river bank, he stopped and shivered. "Brr, too cold. How do I cross?" Just then a fox appeared. "Hello, little gingerbread man," he grinned. "Maybe I can help you. Just climb on my tail and I'll carry you across." "Brr, too chilly," the gingerbread man squealed as the fox paddled into the river. "Then why don't you climb onto my back?" asked the fox. "Brr, too wet," squeaked the gingerbread man as the water swirled at his feet. "Climb onto my head," smirked the fox, and the gingerbread man scrambled up. What do you think's going to happen to the gingerbread man? Look where he's at. But the water rose higher still, so the gingerbread man climbed to the top of the fox's nose. "Tee-hee-hee, they'll never catch me," he cried, just as... What do you think happened? The fox tossed the gingerbread man up, up, up in the air and opened his mouth wide. Snap! And that was the end of the gingerbread man. What happened? Did the fox trick him? I think the fox did trick him. "Oh dear," sighed Mrs. Baker. "What a naughty gingerbread man he was." "I'm still hungry," mooed the cow. "Me too," bleated the goat. "So am I," meowed the cat. Then Mr. Baker said, "Let's all go and bake something else together." So they all trotted back to the bakery to mix and stir cakes and pastries and pies, but no more gingerbread men. It was a fantastic feast, and with their 3 new friends, Mr. and Mrs. Baker were never lonely again. Aww, so they weren't lonely anymore. I really like this story. So, what you guys are going to do for grammar today, the first page in your packet is gingerbread man adjectives. Remember, an adjective is a describing word. So, how would you describe the gingerbread man? What would you say about him? Mrs. G's going to write that he's small. He's sneaky. Let's think. He was sneaky. He was small. What color was he? He was brown. So they're describing words. So you can describe how the gingerbread man acted. Because, his running, up until the fox, he was fast. I would say that he was fast. So we could write fast. How else would you say the gingerbread man is? Do you think he's tasty? You could write that. So go ahead and fill your little cookies with whatever you think that would describe the gingerbread man. Alright? Alright, boys and girls, we're going to read one more gingerbread story. And then Mrs. G is going to put a couple extra read alouds for you guys, okay? Alright, boys and girls, so this story is called The Gingerbread Kid Goes to School. The Gingerbread Kid Goes to School. One day, the principal baked a gingerbread kid. He took it in his lunchbox. Oh no, something was missing. The principal put on 2 candy eyes. Suddenly, the gingerbread kid, winked. He did a flip off the desk. He did a cartwheel on the floor, and then he ran away. Come back, shouted the principal. The principal ran after the gingerbread kid. The gingerbread kid laughed and shouted, I'm the gingerbread kid. I'm as fast as can be. You can run, 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 but you can't catch me. The gingerbread kid ran to the playground. He kicked a ball over the fence. Come back, shouted 2 gym coaches. Then they ran after him. The gingerbread kid laughed and shouted, I'm the gingerbread kid. I'm fast as can be. You can run, 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 but you can't catch me. The gingerbread kid ran into the lunchroom. He hopped in the beans in the rice. Can you imagine if that happened at our school? Come back, shouted the 3 lunch ladies. They dropped their spoons and ran after him. The gingerbread kid laughed and shouted, I'm the gingerbread kid. I'm fast as can be. You can run, 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 but you can't catch me. The gingerbread kid ran by the 4 teachers in the hall. He spilled their jars of paint. Come back, they shouted. Then they ran after him. The gingerbread kid laughed and shouted, I'm the gingerbread kid. I'm fast as can be. You can run, 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 but you can't catch me. The gingerbread kid ran into the library. He jumped on a boy's desk. Chase me, said the gingerbread kid. The boy kept reading. Chase me, shouted the gingerbread kid. The boy shook his head. What kind of kid wants to read? Asked the gingerbread kid. A smart kid, said the boy. Not as smart as me, said the gingerbread kid. I ran away from the principal, 2 gym coaches, 3 lunch ladies, and 4 teachers. I can run away from you, too. No, you can't, said the boy. Here are 5 reasons why. The boy made a fist. 1 by 1, he held up his fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then he grabbed the gingerbread kid. Gotcha, the boy said. Like magic, the gingerbread kid turned into a cookie again. Suddenly, everyone ran into the library. The 4 teachers bumped into the 3 lunch ladies. The 3 lunch ladies bumped into the 2 gym teachers. And the 2 gym teachers bumped into the principal. And the principal bumped into the boy. The gingerbread kid cookie went right out the window. And right outside, the smart boy's smart dog was waiting. Chomp, chomp. Alright, boys and girls, I hope you have fun with this. You have on your gingerbread packet a gingerbread man cutout that you get to color and create your own gingerbread man. Alright, boys and girls, I can't wait to see your gingerbread man. I hope you have fun with the gingerbread graphing and the adjectives and making your own gingerbread man. Alright, guys, I hope you like the stories this week.